Take a look at that. Look how dirty Superman is in that picture. And look how clean he is now. Look at the difference. Superman was pressure washed. That's the only way he could take a shower, is they had to pressure wash him, which they did the other day. And look up on his chest. He's got a nice little blue ribbon up there. Welcome everybody to another daily vlog. A vlog that happens, it seems a lot like from Metropolis, Illinois, the home of Superman. I did not actually stop in this town today to document anything superhero related. I actually stopped in this town today to document something dark, a little bit of dark history about the town of Metropolis, Illinois. But it's not going to happen. I wish it was, but it's not. What I wanted to document today had to do with something about that word right there. One of the people that watch these videos, that is one of my subscribers, turned me on to something pretty incredible about this town. Something I didn't know. I mean, all I've done is museums and statues and road signs and stuff like that every time I come to this town. But there is something pretty historic about this town other than superhero stuff. Take away from the superhero stuff because, well, come on. I mean, come on. But there's something even bigger, bigger historically in this town than the Man of Steel. When you think to yourself, it's a bird, it's a plane. It's all about the bird in this town. Birdman of Alcatraz. So what I did today is I did a lot of research on the history of the Birdman of Alcatraz, the prisons he's been to, the crimes he's committed, the murders of the prison guards and other things, starting back to when he was 13 years old. I think he was from Seattle. And when he was 13, he committed his very first murder. And he had a pretty dark life. But living in a prison in Missouri and Kansas and stuff like that, because he was in prison most of his life. I mean, I think like 46 years of his life was spent in solitary confinement. Not a very good life. But he did have a pretty amazing skill of loving birds. Odd, right? So I guess in Missouri and Kansas, long into his prison career, he went ahead and found an injured little bird, from what I could understand off the internet, and he nursed it back to health while he was in prison. I don't know if it was Leavenworth or one of the prisons out here, and started really loving the birds, and so much so that he wrote 2 books, medical books, and on birds. I'm sorry, there's a lot of people walking around. The Superman Museum is quite crowded today. It's pretty amazing. I love to see this place busy. God, I was just talking about you.
Oh, you was?
I was. Hi.
Hi.
I'm Rick. How are you doing?
I am Anna.
Hi, Anna. Yeah, I was just talking to Jim about you, and I was talking
I
to
thought
these
that
guys
was you
about.
when I went by. I had to go pick my son up from work. But
Yeah.
yeah, I thought that was you when I went by, and I'm like, I gotta go back by and talk to him a second.
Yeah, I just pulled into town to do what you told me.
Yeah.
Now, Jim told me his grave is at the Mosaic Cemetery, and I was just trying to con a ride into them to take me down.
Yeah.
But they said, don't take the truck
Yeah.
because I'll get stuck. But he lives right across the street from me.
Oh, does he?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, so I just found out. But they said I could take the Segway down.
Yeah, yeah,
Right.
yeah. You can take the Segway down there. Yeah.
So.
Yeah, it's pretty neat.
I've seen a couple of your videos.
Yeah.
You want to tell them your channel?
Yeah.
Go
That's
ahead.
fine.
Oh, go ahead.
Oh, I'm Anna Abney on YouTube.
Yeah, that's how you find her
Yeah.
channel. That's how I found it.
Yeah, yeah.
Well,
It's just my name. on
Yeah,
YouTube.
you just
Yeah.
look at her name, or
I
you
don't
can.
have too many videos, but
You have a couple of the snow.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I didn't
Yeah.
like seeing
Yeah.
that, and the school shooting.
Yeah.
So I watched both those.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
Pretty tragic.
Yeah.
Not
it
only
was
you,
tragic.
Keith Holt also
Yeah. They did. They did some videos too, and I didn't get to do any of the flooding. I wish I had, but we had flooding in 2011 too, and I didn't get to do any of them either. But I mean, don't know him real well, but I know of him. Put it that way.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, I figured you live in town. Everybody in this town knows everybody. I mean,
everybody knows somebody in this town.
I've been coming here, and I'm already learning the cats. I've been meeting all the cats on the street late at night.
Yeah.
Look at this. This is what I'm talking about. This town. Everybody pretty much knows everybody, and they're all friendly. I mean, this was a total surprise. I thought that was you when you drove around.
That's why I waved at you. I thought, he looks familiar. I'm going to wave at him.
Well, where'd everybody go? We got to run to the store. Oh, no. Let's go behind the counter and make a mess. We're open back here.
Yeah.
No, we could operate the cash register. Come on. We can figure it out. Look, nobody's minding the store.
They've got cameras, though. They have security cameras everywhere. Yeah.
Where?
Look right there on the screen.
You're underneath the green light. If this was Nevada, if this was Nevada, that would be red.
Yeah. Why? For Nevada. Oh, okay.
I don't want to say it.
Oh, okay. All right.
There's one of them. She's the one that seen me on the video and told me about the thing. She seen me out in the street recording.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were gonna run the cash register for you guys.
Yeah.
Whenever I run it, it's usually 50% off cash only.
Oh, is it? Oh, okay. Cash only.
Yeah.
I don't have cash. I got credit card.
It was kind of unique, but yeah. So she already left. So check out her YouTube channel. It was kind of unique being spotted out on the street like that. And it was great meeting you. But anyway, yeah, so she told me, we spoiled it out there on the street. Yeah, the Birdman of Alcatraz. He's buried here in Metropolis, Illinois. And it's about a mile and a half from this establishment. And I'm too fat and lazy to walk down there. So I'm going to wait and save that for another video when I get back to Florida, grab my Segway and bring it back here. And then travel right down this street about a mile and a half to the cemetery where the Birdman of Alcatraz is buried and document that. So yeah, there's a little bit more history here than I thought, rather than just this amazing place and my favorite museum. They're busy back there. They can't hear me. I'm down the aisles. But my favorite museum, the Americana Hollywood Museum, which Jim owns, which Jim is here today. Actually, I'm gonna have them do something for one of you guys, for a couple of you guys, I think.
I know. Oh my gosh, I hope nothing's ruined.
Okay, Morgan also said that she could ship from here too if I buy stuff like that.
Oh
Yeah.
You would do it?
I won't do it.
Where'd you get that?
He ain't doing it.
This is Jim. He's the one that would arrest me for breaking onto his property. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that today. I just got recognized on the street and that girl. Yeah.
You're a star.
No, she knew. What's this? I have a couple. What do you
Yeah,
want?
well, I'm just saying our website's on there so you can order from us.
Yeah, I don't do that. I'd rather just buy it here. I'm too lazy.
Well, you can send those off with your giveaways to your lovely people.
Oh,
Then they can buy from us.
Well, I'm trying.
I know.
I'm trying.
That's what's in a business card.
Okay.
Box.
No, I want to buy some shirts.
It's called business.
Business.
Comment.
Back to your room. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pick up a couple extra shirts, and I'm just going to have them ship them right here. So the people that get shirts from me, I'm just going to keep it a total surprise. They will be mailed from Metropolis, Illinois.
Oh, drop shipping.
Huh?
Drop shipping.
Is that what it's called? Drop shipping? So it's going to have the Metropolis, Illinois stamp on it. Kind of like in Florida, we have Christmas. So you can have postcards and stuff sent from Christmas, Florida.
That's cool.
So this is going to be Superman stuff from Metropolis, Illinois. All right. So for like the last half hour, I was inside the museum, found a little place to write. And I picked 3 names out of the hat. And no, they all weren't Patreon subscribers, but I think 2 Patreon subscribers did get a shirt. I'm not going to tell you who you guys are. It's going to be a total surprise. So if you watch these videos, if you got a t-shirt from the Superman celebration last year in the mail, postmarked from the city of Metropolis, Illinois, it's from me. I'm keeping this a total surprise since I can't get over to the Birdman gravesite today. I mean, I probably could, but I'm not going to attempt it. If I could do what this guy can do, I would definitely do it, because what he can do is much better than a Segway. I'm curious what that blue ribbon on his costume is for. It's a mystery. All right, everybody. So from Metropolis, Illinois, I'm going to go ahead and sign off. I'm going to go grab me a bite to eat, and I will talk to you on the next one. If you like content like this, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel and you kind of dig stuff like this, I mean, today was kind of hodgepodgey, which most of my videos are. If you like the hodgepodginess of the stuff like this, click the subscribe button down below. It helps, makes me feel good about myself. Until the next one, guys, I love you all. Peace out, everybody. Yes. Yes. And by the way, someone got the sticker. It's gone.